Welcome to the Poseidon Showcase video of our Atlantis Trident Waterfall Package. This is a pondless waterfall with a 14-foot stream. So down below here we have our basin where all the water is stored. And then up at the very top there we'll have our waterfall spillway. And you can see with the 14 feet, even with a low grade, you can get a lot of different transitions, curves, and sounds. So just below that piece of driftwood there is what we call our waterfall spillway. So the water is pumped from the basin down below through the back of the waterfall spillway, where it comes out the front there and cascades back down into the basin itself. Over in this area here is where our pump is housed in the pondless waterfall vault, along with, in this case, on this water feature, the automatic dosing system. And the discharge goes into there as well. So again, this is our Atlantis Trident Waterfall Package with a 14-foot stream on our pondless waterfall system. Now enjoy the sounds that this little waterfall produces.